Hi YouTube, I'm Sujit from Excel 24. Today discussing about if we have the two data sets and I want to make the one chart of the two databases and I want to make the our pie chart from the two databases, two different databases. So my data have a first data here and second data will be here. So how can I make the pie chart with one data? So with one pie chart from multiple data. So we have first create the one blank pie chart. You have click any blank cell and go to the insert and click here pie chart. So this is the blank pie chart. Then right click, click on the select data. And here is the, we have, they give the sales. And now we have select the first cell, then comma, second cell, and then OK. And also click on the edit because show here the 1 2 3 4 5, but I want to show the my month. So we have select the first and give the comma second and press the OK and OK and go to the element. We have add the data labels and also we go to the more options and give the with the category names. So I want to verify. I want to verify label options outside and. So January 13, very good. Feb 15, March, April 66, May 73. And June here the 90, July 27, August 19, 24 and 48. So we have made the one pie chart and from the multiple data, two data sets. If you have three data sets, again put the comma and you have used use same usage. So you have select the first range, give the comma, select the second range one by one. Value also and legend also. Thank you.